Okay, what do you need to take into account during our IEMT sessions? We know being at home means interruptions, they are unavoidable. However, I want you to take into account that IEMT is a therapeutic process, and therefore it's gonna require your full attention and participation. As I explained before, IMT is not a talking therapy, but it will require your full focus and elicitation. This is key for the success of this therapy. Because of that, I want you to please to take the following precautions. No pets. The last thing that you want is during key eye movements for your pet to jump on you and lick your face. Just think during eye movement, we are going to be dealing with key traumatic memories and emotions, and we are going to do brain processing. So you don't want to be interrupted during that action. On the other hand, if you leave your pet in the room next to you with the door closed, they are likely to be distressed and you are going to be distracted. So please, therefore, find someone who can look after them during the IMT sessions. The same way, if you have kids, please make sure you find someone who can look after them during your sessions. Another thing that I want you to consider is to please choose a space and a room when you are alone, where you can close the door and make sure no one is gonna be coming in and out. Again, for the same reason, it's just for you to not to get any distraction and be fully focused. We understand the next requirement is sometimes gonna be out of our hands because it's not that we can control, but whenever it's possible to please make sure you don't have any deliveries during your IMT session, so you don't need to stop and go and open the door. And finally, the use of cigarettes and electronic cigarettes, unfortunately, they are not permitted. Because of the substance that they release, they do have an impact in their brain, and the nature of the IMT work is neurological. You don't want any substance that is altering your mental state, and it can interfere with this therapy. And therefore, finally, and most importantly, please, it is mandatory that the use of any alcohol or any substances is not permitted during the IMT session. Do it again, do it to the neurological nature of the work that we are going to be doing. Taking any drugs, even if it's one glass of wine, is simply not safe during IMT sessions.